Experiencing problems with your iHealth thermometer? Understanding the most common issues can help you quickly identify and resolve problems with battery, display, and sensor malfunctions. First, ensure you're using the thermometer within its proper operating conditions. The device must be used within a temperature range of 59 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit or 15 to 40 degrees Celsius. For forehead thermometers, maintaining the correct distance is crucial. Keep the device less than 3 centimeters or 1.18 inches from the forehead for accurate readings. Now, let's examine the most common problems you might encounter. The invalid mint screen is a frequent issue that appears when the distance is incorrect or environmental conditions are outside the measurable range. If you see all symbols flashing on the display, this usually indicates a defective thermometer that requires replacement. This is a hardware malfunction that cannot be fixed through troubleshooting. Remember that iHealth thermometers use infrared sensors to measure temperature. These temperature and distance sensors are fragile components, so handle your device with care to avoid damage. By understanding these common issues, operating conditions, proper distance, invalid measurements, flashing symbols, and sensor fragility, you can better troubleshoot your iHealth thermometer and know when professional replacement is needed. When your iHealth thermometer shows a low battery indicator or won't turn on, battery replacement is the first step. You'll need 2 AAA non-rechargeable batteries. If your thermometer display is blank or showing errors, check these 3 key areas: battery level, device positioning, and sensor cleanliness. Proper sensor cleaning is crucial for accurate readings. Use a cotton swab soaked in 70% isopropyl alcohol to gently clean the sensor. Then allow it to dry completely before use. If your thermometer is still not working properly, try a firmware reset. Simply remove the batteries for 60 seconds, then reinstall them. This resets the device's internal systems. If problems persist after trying these fixes, contact iHealth support. They provide online FAQs and direct assistance, especially for devices under warranty, which typically lasts 365 days. Remember, iHealth thermometers are calibrated at the factory and do not require regular recalibration. If you question the accuracy, contact the manufacturer for assistance.